At Royal Dutch Gazelle, our assembly line is the most modern in the world. This is where all parts are put together. The frame is placed on the track, with the front fork and handlebars. All of the parts from our paint shop and pre-assembly are of course ready and waiting. Step by step, with attention to detail and precision, around 30 skilled technicians fit and check each component. The mudguard, the wheels, the battery, all to create a perfect Gazelle. Every 90 seconds, a bike rolls off the assembly line, which has a monorail leading directly into the truck, ready to go to one of our Gazelle dealers. And because Royal Dutch Gazelle has 3 of these modern lines, that makes one bike every 30 seconds.